So if you have been looking at starting a business, you have probably been looking around, seeing what's available, what you can do, and you've probably noticed that every single industry, every single niche is a red ocean. They're fully saturated because these businesses have been around for even as little as 10 years, they're still saturated, not to mention about businesses and niches and industries that have been around for 20, 30, 40, 50 plus years. But there's only one niche in one industry that is a very, very blue ocean, and this is AI. My name is Monica, and I help business owners or would be business owners just like you grow a business with AI. And in this video, we're going to have a little bit of a chat about why you should be starting an AI business instead of any other type of business. And the biggest reason is because of that blue ocean. And if you are kind of looking at what kind of AI business you want to start, I actually have a little PDF with 20 different types of AI businesses you can start in less than 14 days. And if you want it, just drop me a line and I'll give it to you. But let's chat about AI and why is it still a blue ocean? Well, number one, AI has been out into the public space for about 18 months or so, maybe a little bit longer, but let's say about 18 months. Number two, a lot of people are afraid of getting their feet wet because they think that AI is just for those that are programmers, software engineers, coders, or they're so good with tech. And this is actually not true at all. You can start an AI business in just 14 days, as I said, with absolutely no tech or coding skills. But this is something that nobody really talks about. Everybody shows off their super cool technical and coding skills, and people like me and you are watching them and are like, there's no way I can ever get into this lucrative industry. But you can. Trust me. I have never learned coding. Now I am learning a little bit of Python, but the more you get into it, the more you understand that you just need the basics because AI can write the code for you right now. If you need a code, for most of the things you don't even need to code, but if you do, you can just ask ChatGPT to write the code for you. And then if it doesn't work, you can ask ChatGPT to troubleshoot it. So you don't need any coding skills. Tech skills, they're easy to learn and you only need basic tech skills. So, and number three is people don't know that there's so many things that we can use platforms and third-party AI tools that will help us with our AI business. So we get AI to do the heavy lifting, and all we need to do is actually sell that service or product. So, as I said, a lot of people are not thinking about these things, and a lot of people think that it's too hard because of this, or that, but it's not. And if you want to explore what types of businesses you can start, as I said in the beginning, drop me a line and I will send you those 20 different types of businesses you can start in the next 14 days.